The yellow serum in aloe vera leaf is called aluvin and it causes irritation in the skin. It is a very harmful element, so I have placed the leaves in the downward patterns for 1 hour to remove the yellow serum completely from the leaves. Now wash the leaves thoroughly before extracting the gel from these leaves. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making aloe vera gel. So uh, watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to know the notification when I am giving the new videos, and share as much as you can. So let's start. At first, this is the gel I have made from aloe vera, pure aloe vera. Now I will strain it with the help of a strainer to get a smooth consistency. You can even skip this process, but I like a smooth consistency, so I will strain it with the help of a strainer. So after staining, see, I have got this, and this is the residual part. I am not going to throw this residue. I will show you what I have done with this residue at the end of the video. So I am keeping it there. Now I will pour this one. This is the glycerin. It is available in any store, any stationery store. This is available. So glycerin helps to retain moisture in the skin and face. I am giving only 5 drops. 3, 5. 5 drop is enough. You don't require more. It protects the skin from infection. The next I will give is the vitamin E capsules. This is also easily available in any medical store. 3 capsules only rupees 10. So for this amount of gel I am giving 2 to 3 capsules is enough. Vitamin E has various good effects on skin. It helps in anti-aging treatment. It helps to make your skin glow and even hydrate your skin. If you apply this gel at night, in the morning you will see your skin has become so smooth and soft. And also it will help your skin to glow. So I have given 3 vitamin E capsules and I will shake it. The next is the Dabur Gulabari. This one, the rose water. Any company you can give. I am giving this Dabur Gulabari rose water. You can give it for sweet fragrance. This is optional. You can even skip this. This one is easily available in any store. I am giving 2 to 3 drops. 3 drops of Dabur Gulabari rose water. So this one, and the last one I will give is the vinegar. That helps you to store this gel throughout the year. For storage purpose, only 2 to 3 drops of vinegar is enough. Now I will mix all the mixture with the help of a spoon. Now it is mixed, and now it's the time for storage. You have to store it. It is better to store in a glass container, but I don't have glass container right now, so I have this plastic container. I will store it here. It should be clean and no water. So the aloe vera gel is ready, almost ready. It is not fully ready. See, its consistency is like this, but this consistency will be more harder if you store this in the fridge for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours of refrigeration, the consistency of the gel is now same as you purchased it in the shop. The market price of this gel is near about 100 to 200 rupees, which you can make it only at rupees 20. If you want to apply 2 drops of green food color, you can apply it, but it is optional. I have not applied it. See, this is the residual of the aloe vera gel, which I am doing. See, in the ice cube box, you store it in the ice cube box, and you store it for 24 hours in your deep freeze. In aloe vera gel, there is nothing wastage. Now put this one in your deep freeze, and I will show you after 24 hours. After 24 hours of deep freeze, you can see this aloe vera gel cubes, which is so pretty. You can apply it on your skin, hand, your face, your under eye. See the ice cubes. Now I am applying it on my face. You can apply it on your face, your hands, elbows. Whenever you come tired from your office, you can apply it on your skin. Your dark, if you have dark circles, also you can apply it under eye for under eye treatment. It will be very effective. You can try at least once. I can challenge you. You will get a very good result. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.